In this video, I will compare ChatGPT versus Gemini. First, let's talk about the main focus of both. ChatGPT main focus is understanding and generating human-like text, making it useful for tasks such as generating content, answering questions, engaging in conversation, and providing explanation. And Gemini main focus is to be helpful and informative AI assistant that can generate text, translate languages, write different kind of creative content and answer your question in an informative way. Now if we talk about the interfaces, both are quite similar. When it comes to the pricing, both Gemini and ChatGPT offer free version and paid versions. Now let's do some testing. I will give command to both AI to write an HTML header code. Let's see which code is better. Gemini included styling, whereas ChatGPT didn't include styling. So in my opinion, ChatGPT code is better because I haven't set Gemini to add styling. Also, ChatGPT code is visually appealing. Next, let's do some data analysis. I will ask what happened on 4th July. Let's see which result is better. In my opinion, ChatGPT result is better because ChatGPT gave a more detailed response. Now let's do some basic calculation. In the calculation, Gemini is fast and ChatGPT answer is still in processing. I don't know why ChatGPT is taking too much time. Now ChatGPT giving the answer. So in my opinion, in the calculation, Gemini is best. So that's it for the video. I have done a side-by-side comparison. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.